Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing tostadas de tinga, that is shredded chicken with some sauce on a tostada with lettuce, crema, and some cheese. If you guys want to learn how to make this recipe, just keep on watching. Ingredients that we're going to be needing is, I usually get a chicken breast, and I usually get two, and I usually get the one with the bone just because I like to do caldo de pollo, chicken soup for my son. Then we're going to need one whole onion. We're going to need a can of chipotle peppers. We're going to need some garlic, salt and pepper. I like the crema sin sal, sour cream with no salt on it. I like to get the cheese already rallado. Next, we're going to need some lettuce. I'm also going to make some salsas. So I'm going to need one tomate, two jalapenos. We're going to put a habanero, and then cilantro. Okay. So right now the chicken is boiling. Let it cook for about an hour to an hour and a half on a low medium heat so that everything could cook and nothing would be raw. So let's get started with the onion. We're going to cut the onion. We're going to cut it in moves, okay? So one. With the other onion that we have, we're going to cut it in half. Put it in the blender. I'm just going to dump it in here. Let's get our garlic. Take them all off. If you like a lot of garlic, go ahead and put more. Make sure you turn on one of your other skillets and put oil. What you want to do now that your skillet is hot, you want to put in your onion. You want to saute your onions until they are transparent. So we're going to put in the chicken in a little bit. In the blender, we already have the onion, the garlic. I'm going to open up the can of chipotle. I usually put two. If you guys want to put three, that's fine. It just depends on your taste. One. Two. From the same water that the chicken cooked in, we're going to go ahead and get 1 cup. So this is 1 cup, okay? I forgot to add to the ingredients 3 tomatoes. So these are already washed. So your blender has the onion, the garlic, the 1 cup of chicken broth, the 3 tomatoes, and we're gonna blend. I have my chicken already shredded here. Put the chicken that we shredded. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the sauce. You guys want to add your salt or consomme de pollo. So I also made the salsa, but the salsa that I use, remember that I told you some ingredients. I just boiled it in water. The tomato, the 2 jalapenos, the habanero, the onion, and the garlic. Put that all in the blender. I also put the water that was cooking the vegetables in it. Now I just have oil heating. I'm going to make tostadas with the tortillas. And I get a tortilla. Make sure it gets like a tostada. You want to make sure that they get like tostadas, because if you don't let them get like tostadas and they're just with aceite, then what the juice of the tinga is going to soak through and it's not going to be tostadas. And as well, try to push them down because the tortillas tend to inflate. Okay, so just like this. And then what I do is I get a container and then I just put them up like this. You guys want to see the sopita that I made for my son? So whenever he wakes up, I'll give it to him. If you guys don't want to do this step, you guys could always go and buy the tostadas already made. I didn't want to waste money. I had tortillas here, so might as well use them. My husband really doesn't eat tortillas. It's just me. I try not to eat a lot of tortillas just because of my diabetes. But whenever there is carne asada, I do love tortillas, especially if it's like the tostaditas with frijoles or with like a little bit of salsita with cheese. Or whenever I make tacos, we do eat tortillas. Or whenever I make enchiladas or taquitos, flautas, as well, we eat tortillas. But besides that, we don't. Okay, so I'm just gonna make just this one more. I like to do the tostadas once you're ready to eat them. I just don't like to have them there, because if I have them there, I'll eat them. Always make sure you wash your lettuce. What you want to do is you just want to cut it. Make sure you cut it very thin. Like this is fine. So you guys will get a tostada. You will get your tinga. Place it on top. And try to spread it around. Okay, just like that. Then you're gonna get some of the lettuce that we just cut, and you're gonna just put it right on top. You wanna get your sour cream, and you're gonna put it right on top. So I love sour cream. Now you're gonna get your queso rallado, and you're just gonna go like this. Like I said, you could eat it just like this. And then you're just gonna put it all over. So this is the final. I hope you guys enjoyed cooking with me. So let me know what recipes you guys would like down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and turn that post notification bell so you can be notified every single time we post a new video. And let's try it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.